guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you need an easy way to organize or store your items or even decorate, these command hooks are a great choice.
So I use these large white command hooks for lots of different things throughout the house. They are easy to use, they are damage free, and just really convenient. So I have this one here in my closet for hanging hoodies and different things on, and it's awesome. So they're really simple to use. The way that they work is basically you have the hook piece, and then you have a bracket where you apply the command strip, and you place the strip against the wall, and there is an adhesive on it, and you just hold it for a few seconds, and then it really holds super well. These ones in particular can hold up to 5 pounds, and that is perfect for lots of things. So I also use them here for hanging these planters by a window, and they do an awesome job. They're really strong, very sturdy, and I am confident that they're gonna hold. And I just love that if I change my mind, I can take them down and there's gonna be no damage, and I'm not gonna have to repair my wall. So it makes them really convenient.
So I love these. They're super easy to use. They're really strong and they just make organizing a lot easier. And that's my point of view.